In our last video, we talked about using the Expert Mode form to create assistants. Expert Mode allows you to have granular control over every part of your assistant creation. Quicker AI is offering an alternative assistant creation flow for users who want to make assistants quickly and easily, with the chance to edit them later. This is the Quick Start flow. When using Quick Start, you leave the prompt engineering and settings tuning to us. The Quick Start wizard will provide you with several assistants usable right out of the box. Of course, you can edit them like any other assistant to customize them further. To access Quick Start, click the Create Assistant button in the top right of the Assistant List page. Alternatively, you can click the arrow to the right of the button to open a drop-down menu, then select the Quick Start option. Either way, you will be taken to the Quick Start wizard. In Quick Start, we've broken down the different types of assistants you might want to make into 4 categories. Each category fulfills a different purpose in the educational workflow. The Teaching Assistant is to be used by students to guide their learning. The Office Hours Assistant answers common logistical questions. The Practice Assistant tests students' comprehension through practice problems. And the Assessment Assistant helps you to create quiz and test questions. Each of these 4 assistants naturally require slightly different material knowledge in its knowledge base in order to best do its job. For example, the Teaching Assistant might need things such as your course syllabus, the course objectives, and any materials like a textbook or a lecture transcript. An Office Hours Assistant would need to know information from your syllabus and course materials as well, but it would also be helpful to give it any announcements you make throughout the class. To make an assistant, first choose the one you want to make, and then upload the documents you have into these different bins for each assistant. Keep in mind, you do not need to upload every type of file. Once you've uploaded all of your files, you can click the Start button. The wizard will take some time to process your files. Next, you will see the assistant you chose at the beginning, as well as any other assistants the wizard thinks could be made based on the documents you uploaded. For example, we chose the Teaching Assistant. Because the Office Hours Assistant also uses the syllabus, we could also choose to make the Office Hours Assistant. If you want to create any additional assistants, you can click the checkbox next to them. Once you are happy with your choices, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Create. You will be taken back to the Assistant List page, where you will see your new assistants being made. Just like before, these assistants will take some time, and they can be used freely once their sync status becomes a green checkmark. One important note about Quick Start assistants is that by default, they will only be created in one course, which is the course that you are currently in. To add more courses, click the Edit button to the left of the assistant name. This will open up the assistant in Expert Mode, where you can add or remove courses or any other additional information. We hope this video helps you understand the Quick Start wizard and helps you make your assistants quickly and efficiently.